Alright, I don't know if people have been following along on our reels and stuff lately, but our jockey wheel has been failing us miserably. So I've popped in and saw the guys, BTC Parts and Accessories in Darwin. I tell you what, they have absolutely everything. If you need something, send them a message and they'll mail it out to you, they said. But yeah, we went in there. So we've got the, I don't even know how to say it, Menutech. So we got the Menutech jockey wheel that come with the caravan. The bearing failed, I'll show you why. But what I've done for now is I've just bought a replacement bearing to get us through. It was just under 17 bucks. And there's the part number if you need it. Hopefully you can see it there. That's the part number that you'll need to replace this bearing in this jockey wheel. And these guys have it, so just give them a buzz and they'll be able to send it out to you. All right, we'll get into pulling it apart. So you just need a hammer and something with a point on it. I've just got an old screw head here. These kids.
What are you doing, Adrian?
Pretty much on it, you just the pin goes through the handle to hold it all together. So just tap that out. Should go all the way through. Don't lose your pin. So I'll keep that handy, and then the handle just slides off the top. So I'll clean all this up. It's got a lot of grease on it. You'll see I've done a pretty dodgy patch to keep us going for a little bit.
A bush job.
Yeah, but it's finally let me down, so. Now, what you can do is axe yourself. Eh? The wheel rolled on me, who would have thought?
Oh, that was gold!
Yeah.
Oh, it's on camera, I love it.
So now that that's done, the center tube will just slide right off. Just like that. And put that down to the side somewhere.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I caught myself. So yeah, here's my patch job of what I tried to do to make it work. I tried to have some tape to hold the bearings in there, but it's just failed, so. What I'll do is we'll pull this apart now and slip the new one on. Alright, so now we've pulled that apart. What I'd recommend doing is just wind it up a little bit and put some grease on the thread while you're here too. You're already here and painful, so. But I don't know if Chris will be able to catch this on the camera, but what's happened is this plate is actually welded on an angle. So that's the reason our bearing's given away within 6 months. So I'm putting a new bearing in here now just to keep us going because we're hitting the gib, and I've lodged the warranty claim, so we'll see what is it called, Menutech come back and say to Lotus about this, but I've seen a few people have the same problem on the Lotus page, so I'd say it's a batch issue or something, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I've been trying to get one of the Boss jockey wheels, but I just can't get my hands on one. Anyway, so we'll put some grease on this, put the bearing back together and show you how to put it all back together. All right, so I'm just using a bit of wheel bearing grease that I've got left over here. Should do the job. It just helps lubricate everything up and keep it moving. Get our new bearing out. Here's what it looks like. It looks a lot better than the old one that come out. All these balls sit in their own little thing. The last one was like a weird race looking thing, I think. So we'll see how this goes, and we'll put a heap of lube on it and go from there. And then we'll put a bit underneath and above, I reckon, too. And then we'll put some on the thread as well.
Just kill my back.
All right, now to put it back together. So the tube just slides down over the top. Make sure your helper moves their hand, otherwise it'll pinch fingers.
Went down.
Yep. There we go, that's done. Clean it up. Put your top back in so it is keyed. It's like a half moon in there. And so it just slips on. You'll see the keyway on top. And then we'll send our pin back through and that's it. Get the hammer, whatever I did with it. Tap it back in. And that's it. So that's how you service your Manutech jockey wheel. And you get your wheel bearing, or that bearing, from BTC Caravans up here in Darwin. So hopefully you found this useful, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you did. Thanks guys.